So guys, now it's my turn, and these are the three colors I'm using: light purple, dark purple, and light pink, and one medium color kind of pink. Okay, this is the colors I'm using, and yes, let's start with the darkest shade, and then go with the light. Okay, I'm thinking like let's add it to the side parts of this. Okay, so like if you add it to your baby finger, we can like see the process going. If you want, you can add it here because mine comfortable is here. So like, you can add to any of these three fingers. Mine is this, so I'm just adding through this. And now we'll go through the colors. Sometimes you get confused because of these colors, you are adding the same color again. But you know how you can recognize it? See, this is the light color you're adding now, okay? So like take the same color as you used now. Then you'll not forget you use the same color. Oh my goodness. Okay, see? Now you're doing the same process. Now I use dark purple. So I'll use dark purple. That way you can understand. So it's nice, and see? It's like Koromi I'm using. Oopsie daisy. I did something wrong. So like okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm gonna add this baby pink. Okay, inky. And then I'm adding this like the baby pink, medium pink I used. And again I'm adding the baby pink. Okay, it's like one melody at the center. Okay, and then so I used here purple, so I'm using a lighter purple this time. Okay, I used light purple now, so I'm gonna use again light purple. See? See? I told you guys, use this method if you're like adding the same color at the same time. And we're done, bro. It's like my melody in the center, and then again follow me. And it's stretchable, guys. So and yep, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna try this now. Okay, we get this thing in, and oh my goodness, I forgot how to tie it. What? Susie? Yes, okay, I forgot. I did not forget. Done. Now if you wear it, this will be there, but don't worry, it can't hide it like this. Okay, so see, this is so nice. Okay. Now, guys, I made this before. How's this? This is the one I made first. This is the second. Now, how's this? Now, see guys.